What's up, Glam Fam? It's your CEO P, and welcome to this episode of Glammed from the Inside Out. Today we're in the Glam Kitchen to talk about the benefits of meal prepping.
Thank you so much for having me, Princess. I'm super excited about being in the Glam Kitchen. And you know what? Meal prepping, one of my favorite subjects because the benefits are amazing. I like to teach my clients to meal prep on Sundays for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then again on Wednesday for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday's usually our free day where we can enjoy what we want. However, we practice the Glam rules of no eating carbs after what? 3. So, also, meal prepping allows you to do a couple things. Number 1, you save money. Number 2, you actually practice portion control. And number 3, most importantly, you always have healthy meals on hand when you're hungry. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So let's get started.
For our first meal, we will have chicken, asparagus, and brown rice. We're going to take our rice and put it in some boiling water for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to get our asparagus and wash them all off, and then we're going to cut the back ends of them. Once we've done that, we're going to put them on a skillet with some avocado oil and add a little bit of salt and pepper to season it. We're going to let them cook for about 10 minutes. I usually wait to see how crunchy or soft I want them to be. I've already washed my chicken, and then I'm going to beat them flat. For those of you who do not have a meat beater like me, you could just use a rolling pin and it works perfectly. I take some of my favorite seasonings and I put them on each fillet of chicken. We're going to take some avocado oil and drizzle it all over the pan, then place our chicken in the skillet, seasoning side down. Once we have it in the skillet, we're going to re-season the back side so that both sides are covered with a great amount of seasoning so we can get all of the flavors. I usually cook mine on each side for about 10 minutes and then flip. Now that everything is complete, our rice is already in the containers and we're going to place our chicken and our asparagus in each of the 3 containers so we can eat them over the next 3 days. For our second meal, we will have broccoli, salmon, and cauliflower. Make sure you wash everything up. Then, as you can see, we're going to cut our cauliflower and broccoli. Now we're going to put the veggies in a strainer and over some boiling water and let them steam. It's time for salmon. We're going to take our avocado oil and massage it onto the salmon. We're going to take the same seasonings we used earlier and put it all over the salmon. I set my oven to 325 and I'm going to leave the salmon in there for about 10 to 20 minutes depending on how well you like your fish. Now that everything is done, we're going to put them into 3 separate containers so that we can enjoy them for the next 3 days. Now it's time to get ready to make our snacks. For our first snack, we're going to sprinkle a bag of Skinny Pop popcorn and then we're going to add a handful of dried cranberries. For our next snack, we're going to take some freshly washed blueberries and add some whipped cream on top. For our last snack, we're going to take some yogurt and put it into the bowl and then sprinkle some almonds on top.
There you have it. We're all set. Meal prepped for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and 2 snacks to carry us through the day. So for breakfast, our first meal, we're having a vegan protein shake with vegan protein powder, almond milk, spinach, and avocado. Our second meal of the day, chicken breast, asparagus, and brown rice. A perfect balanced meal. Everything you need for your body to operate at the optimal level. Our third meal / snack of the day, we have yogurt, Phage yogurt, and almonds. Phage yogurt has about 20 grams of protein in it, which makes it a nice balanced meal. And the almonds are good fat. Perfect snack for the middle of the day. Our fourth meal, salmon and steamed broccoli and cauliflower. Perfect. So our snacks to help us make it through the day, we have, believe it or not, whipped cream. Yes, one of my favorite. Whipped cream only has 1 gram of sugar and 1 gram of carbohydrates, which makes it perfect And blueberries are very low in sugar, very low in carbohydrates, but they're brain food. So a perfect snack for a perfect treat. And lastly, our snack, yes, you are looking at popcorn. That is one small bag of skinny popcorn, 100 calories, mixed with a few cranberries. There you have it. We're Meal Prep.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of Glammed from the Inside Out.
I'm your glam coach.
And I'm your CEO P.
Glam out.